Hello everybody. Part 2 of the Impala swap. It's cold, it's early, and we got a lot to do today. Goal of today is get it moving under its own power again. Shoot, we gotta see if it even starts. We still gotta do that. So let's get to it. Welcome back to Treerow Rescue. There she blows. Well, let's get started. 3/8. 3/8. Yep. Yep. Gotta remove headers. I'm doing this so that I can shift the car. Because right now, this header, it's long tube, right? Why are you pointing over that way? I'm over here. There you go. Is that better for you? Oh, man. Oh. Anyway, so what's happening is that the long tube headers are hitting my shift linkage. You can't shift the car. Can't do none of it. So, that's gotta change. Gotta change right now. Come here. Come here. And my hands are cold. It's in the 40s. Listen, I know some of y'all are, man, that's nice. Yeah, I'm tropical. Like, I used to think that 60 degrees was the perfect temperature whenever I lived up north for so many years. Then I moved back to Florida. I'm born and raised in Florida, but I did live out of state for a few years. And whenever I moved back, after 4 or 5 years, man, 70 degrees getting a little chilly. Not really, I'm just kidding. I was being a little bit sarcastic on that, but 60 degrees was no longer the perfect temperature. Down here, 70 to 75. That's where you want to be. That's where everybody's happy. My wife has named this car Madison. I like it. Mad Madison, you know. She always wanted a girl to name her Madison. Well, guess what? Nothing but boys. Fine with me. But, you know, as luck would have it. So, we named the car Madison. This is the cute little booger I'm putting in. Both sides. That way nothing is impeding. Nothing's getting in the way. Oh, hardware. One thing that you want to do, I don't know if a lot of you guys know this or not, and of course I'm not doing it, but what you want to do is you want to drill a little bitty hole, the easiest way to lock these in, because header bolts like to back out all the time. So what you could do is get you a drill bit and a drill press and drill a hole into each one of these and just run you some welding wire through it. That way they don't back out. It's just a cheap, easy trick. I mean, if you have access to a drill press and everything like that. Because I mean, Loctite ain't gonna do you any good. Heat cycles, hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold. It won't do nothing for you. So, staying par for course for spare parts and everything. This is part of shoving. I'm gonna make this, because it's a metal rod. I wanna make this my throttle linkage. Because I don't want to totally obliterate this one, plus the threads ain't long enough. So I'm gonna set this safely over here. I'm gonna get the length that I need. There's the inside. You gonna make it all the way through? Yes, sir. Bob, you are. You need to go over there. You're in my way. Right there is about where I want to be. Not gonna give me full wide open throttle. It is. So let's go. Let's cut it off there. Throttle linkage. Watch it. Make sure that it works with the pedal. I'm gonna go inside here. Just tell me if it works. Is it really a dumb idea if it works? Yeah, look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Somebody go look at this. Is it really a dumb idea? I can't believe that worked. That's awesome. Yoink. Okay. Well, I mean, you guys want to see if it fires? Let's see if it fires. And by the way, that's an Amazon special carburetor. Cheapest 4-barrel I could find. It's supposed to be an EVS2 from Edelbrock, but it's not by any means. It's a $200 carburetor from Amazon. That backfired directly through the intake. That's no bueno. Screw it, let's try again. Oh no, fire. Not really, it's just an oil soaked rag. Dude, I haven't tuned this carburetor. What was this carburetor called? Let me look. That way so you guys know. If you're doing a cheap build. Let's see, what was that carburetor called? I'm impressed. I mean, it probably really runs like garbage, but it fired. I have not tuned this at all. Let's see. Can I click on it there and it take me to? Okay, it's called Royal Air. So, the brand is Royal Air. And it comes with the metering rods and everything from Amazon, $205. In case you want to go that route. But yeah, I mean, it comes with all sorts of stuff you don't need, but I haven't tuned it. Let's do it again. Let me turn the key back on. Oh no! On its own, here we go. a fire, or is that just stuff burning off of the headers? Smells like stuff just burning off of the headers. I believe that's what it is. The finish. Alright, I got the torque converter hooked up. Let's see if it moves. Get. Clean car, clean. Let's see. What we get? Helps if I hook the battery up. Oh no, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Helps if I'm in park. I'm happy with that. How much transmission fluid did it lose? Quite a bit, actually. Not bad for a spare parts engine and no tuning on a Chinese carburetor. That's all right. So, I mean, we saw it move. I definitely have to make sure that the timing's right and that the carburetor is adjusted properly for that thing to run. I need to do a cooling system and all of that good jazz and mount the engine properly. So that's going to do it for part 2. We know it runs and it sounds good. I mean, kind of, in a sense. So tune in. I'm going to have a part 3 to this coming soon. Don't exactly know when. Maybe in a week, maybe in a couple of weeks. Just depends on whenever I have time to do it. I'm such a busy guy. I have so many projects here working, which means there's a lot of content coming. So stick with me. Hang with me through this process. Like, comment, subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything, and it helps me bring you somewhat of an entertaining show. Again, appreciate you hanging around, and we'll see you next time right here on Treerow Rescue. Peace.